Just 4 ingredients and Goose is ready. Got step 1, egg in, and Goose already wants step 2, bananas going in. Bananas in, so here goes the pumpkin. Goose is still ready. This is testing run, so we did not really measure, but we're mashing away here. Next is the flour. Don't really know what to do with this stuff, so we're here to test it out. Now that you've whipped and beaten the 1/2 cup of pumpkin, 1 banana, and 1 egg into a baby food that's not suitable for children, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of coconut flour to start. Maybe not so much, but we'll see what happens. So we got our mixture here looking like a coarse crumble. Nice big wet crumbs. This flour here did say that it makes stuff extremely dry, so we only use half the flour. That was that 1 cup you saw. So we'll see how it goes. All right, we're dumping here onto the lightly floured surface and rolling, kneading it into a dough. Let's see how it goes. Don't worry, he has not gone far. Oh,
he's eating.
he doesn't approve of peanut butter, so let's see if he approves of this. Oh, the dough made it down. It made it down. Now don't listen to the recipe that we just showed you. The real ingredients will come here in a minute. That's my banana. Now that we got that big ball of dough, we rolled it on out to about a 1/2 inch thick. And cutting them out with the pizza cutter. Small little 1-inch squares. Squares, rectangles, rhombuses, whatever you want. We can do it all. Batch number 1. Going on in the oven, 350 here. See you when we see you. Final answer on the recipe here. We got half of this can of pure pumpkin, which is half of the 15-ounce can. You can do the math there. We did use 2 cups of the organic coconut flour and 4 of these average size bananas. Hold on, let me check. Plus 2 eggs, I almost forgot. Nope, we are above average size bananas. Now the 30 minutes is up, we're leaving it cracked just like this to dehydrate those beautiful treats. Goose already tried one. He liked it. This is what they look like right now. They're not dehydrated yet, a little soft still. He loves them. He wants more. This is Goose's Adventure Channel. Subscribe.